All right, Nisha the PA, we are live.
Hey guys, it's Nisha the PA over here at Dr. Emer's office, and today we are doing laser hair removal. What a slepion. I kind of want to show you a little bit about the device I'm using and why we're using it here in the office and why it's really just one of the greater devices out there. So number one, I want to show you that this particular laser, the slepion laser hair removal, has this gold plate going around the interface. And this is a pretty large interface, which means right now I'm treating the posterior thighs. It's going to make the treatment extremely quick compared to a lot of other laser hair removals where the treatment session is just a very long session because the interface that you're using is a lot smaller. So number one, it has a larger interface. Number two, this little gold rim you see around it, not only does it make the laser look really nice, but it has a purpose. This is the cooling part of the laser. So when you see me treat, I will first pre-cool the area down. So my lovely client here feels the coldness of the laser, so that way when I go to treat, this makes it a lot more comfortable, okay?
All right, Nisha, is this safe for all skin types? Someone's asking us.
Yeah, so this laser is safe for all skin types. No matter if you're lighter skin type or a darker skin type, you can use your laser. Of course, you want to be careful with the settings, which of course we are here, but this is a great laser to use on all skin types. And another great thing about this laser is that we can use it almost to every single area. We have a larger interface if you want to use it on a larger body part. In this particular case, the back of the thighs, but we also have a smaller interface here if you want to use it on those very delicate areas, underneath the arms, the bikini area. This will get into all the nooks and crannies and make sure that we're able to successfully do laser hair removal to that area.
So we have a few people are asking about the bikini area, pubic area.
We can do the bikini area. That's right, guys. Now, what do you feel during treatment? Of course, you're going to feel the cooling of the laser, but the second thing you feel, or you may feel, is a little bit of warmth, which comes from the snapping of the laser. Right now it's very tolerable because we're using the cooling effect of the interface of this particular laser. Treatment, how many treatments do you need is really going to depend on what area we're treating, how dense the hair is in that area, but you tend to need anywhere between 3 to 6 treatments depending on that particular area.
What about facial hair? Can we do facial hair with this?
You can do facial hair with this laser. That's why we have the smaller interface to really get into that area. And you can do facial, neck, any place where you have unwanted hair and you want to get rid of it, you can use this laser. And it's this quick. Now, what should you expect? Now, when you do laser hair removal, you should expect a few things. For some lasers, some laser hair removal devices, you may have a little bit of perifollicular erythema or edema, but with this particular laser, you don't actually experience that. What you experience over the next few weeks is that the hair will start to shed. What this laser does is target the hair follicle, and eventually your body is going to get rid of that hair follicle. So you may see a little bit of follicular shedding, which is what we want to see.
Okay, are there any precautions before or after or during the treatment that patients should know about?
Now, of course, before any laser hair removal, you want to make sure the area is freshly shaven, at least within a day or two. Of course, when you have longer hair to the area, it can make it a little bit more uncomfortable. And it also makes the treatment a little bit less effective because we want the heat, we want the light to actually reach the hair follicle. And that's where we're going to get successful treatment with laser hair removal. So you want to shave beforehand. Make sure that is a must. Now, also what you want to do is make sure that you're not going to go out and get a tan before or after treatment. Really, before treatment, you want to make sure you avoid the sun. The way the machine works is targeting the dark hair in the hair follicle, but if you go out and get a tan, that's not going to help with the laser hair removal. So treatment is going to be a little bit less effective.
Can we talk to them about our machine, our ASTANZA MEDIOSTAR?
So this is the ASTANZA laser hair removal. As I mentioned before, there's a couple of different reasons why I truly enjoy this laser. Number one, it is a very large interface, which makes treatment very quick. Look how large this interface is. So pretty large interface makes treatment super quick. Number 2, there's a cooling mechanism around the actual interface, which makes treatment a lot more comfortable. This gold piece here is the cooling part. So as I'm treating my client, you will see me pre-cool. You'll see me pre-cool, and then the laser will cool the area down, and then we'll do the laser hair removal. Now, I am just about done. That's how quick laser hair removal is with the Slepion laser hair removal, is that I'm almost done with treatment. I'm gonna finish up, and then I'm gonna show you guys what she looks like after treatment via some photos. In 4 to 6 treatments, you'll notice that the hair in this area, the density of it gets less and less. The hair will start to really be barely visible, and then she may need a little bit of maintenance treatments throughout the years, but that's about it. So until next time, it's Nisha the PA at Dr. Emer's office. I'll see you guys then. Bye.